Hey everyone, I'm making another writing video. I'm still having many students log out of Zoom before 11:30. It is vital that they stay on until 11:30. I am not allowed to let students off before 11:30, so if they tell you they're getting off before then, it's not true. So now I have to reteach it on the video. Please watch what I'm doing. I'm going to pull up our old writing T-chart. This is a writing T-chart that we started on almost 3 weeks ago. So we've been working on this writing project for 3 weeks. So your child should have their writing T-chart completed. So it is under the week of October 19th through the 23rd. It is Wednesday, October 21st, writing T-chart. So if they click on that, their T-chart would be there and they would open it and their writing would be completed. You see, I don't have any writing on mine. It's because I'm not a student, but I have my writing completed. So they will need two things. This writing T-chart, which is their graphic organizer, and they will need the rough draft Google Doc that they will be taking their graphic organizer and composing it into a rough draft. So the other sheet that they will need is right here under the week of November 2nd through the 6th. Week of November 2nd through the 6th, writing. They will need to click right there and they will just pull it up. And I'm going to delete this. This was a modeling I was doing in the classroom for the students that stayed on Zoom. So what they're going to do is they're going to use their graphic organizer where they already have their writing composed, and they're just going to type it in paragraph format. So they're going to start with their topic sentence. Do you like homework? In my opinion, my teacher should give us homework. I strongly feel that we should get homework because it helps us practice our skills. I can show my family what we are learning in school and it helps me stay busy. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to type it right here on my rough draft. Do you like homework? Question mark. I don't want them to copy and paste it because if they copy it and paste it, look what will happen when they get down here. It won't be in paragraph format. And in fact, I forgot to indent. Let me indent. This is paragraph 1. Paragraph 1 is the topic sentence. Do you like homework? In my opinion, my teacher should give us homework. Notice I'm not making anything up. It's exactly what I already have on my T-chart. I strongly feel that we should get homework because it helps us practice our skills, comma. I can show my family what we are learning in school. And it helps me stay busy. I'll put a period. Now I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to start a new paragraph. The new paragraph is going to be reason 1. I have to make sure I include my transition word and then reason 1. So to begin with, homework helps us practice our skills. Period. And notice, look, in my topic sentence, that is reason 1. I'm now explaining my 3 reasons in order. Now I can't leave it like that. I have some explanations right here. they're in red. Your child should have 3 explanations for every reason. So my explanation is math is hard for me. Practicing math at home will help me understand it better. You're going to watch me copy and paste. The student should be, ooh, that's why they don't copy and paste. All right. Math is hard for me. Practicing math for homework will help me understand it better, period. Okay, I'm going to go to the second reason. Sometimes I forget what we learned in class. Homework helps me remember what my teacher taught me. Sometimes I forget what we learned in class, period. Homework helps me remember what my teacher taught me, period. Third and final reason, by practicing my skills at home, it helps me remember what we learned in class and helps me make better grades. By practicing my skills at home, I forgot what it was, so let me go back. It helps me remember what we learned in class and helps me make better grades. Period. So now if you notice, I finished the second reason and my 3 explanations for that one reason. Now I'm going to go to reason number 2 and those 3 explanations. So I would type another reason. Another reason I think we should get homework is I can show my family what we are learning in school. So I click back right here, I click enter, and it automatically indents. So another reason, and I'm not going to model all of this, but your child is going to finish. So they should have 5 paragraphs when they are done. Paragraph 1 is the topic sentence. Paragraph 2 is reason number 1 and explanations. Paragraph 3 is reason number 2 and explanations. Paragraph 4 is reason number 3 and explanations. And the final paragraph is the conclusion. So they should end with 5 paragraphs. When they are done with this, they're not turning it in. If they turn it in, they'll lose their writing. They need to click share. They need to click right in the add people in groups and type my name. Now, because we have worked on this this is the 3rd week, the final copy will be done Friday. If your child does not have it completed, they will receive a 0 in writing. Some students have not even started on this graphic organizer. Please have your child show you their graphic organizer, which is right here, week of October 19th through the 23rd, writing Tchart. Have them click on that. Have them show you what they've done. Again, many students are missing this because they are leaving Zoom early. Thank you.